So our toolboxes, we mount here to store things that you find that you need. You generally need a can of WD-40 for cleaning fittings. We have safety paraphernalia in here to keep you safe when you're loading. We have hot gloves in here. These are oil-resistant insulated gloves for handling hot materials. Safety glasses. We have pressure gauges for checking charge pressure on your hydrostatic pump and pressure on your manifold for your hydraulic cylinder valves. If you order extra and different size nozzles, we'll put them in here typically. There's 3 sizes in here. Depending on what you're spraying, we'll add those to your tank and to your toolbox. And then this is our nozzle wrench. This nozzle wrench, you can see we have a roll pin in there that will go into the groove of the nozzle, and then we'll use this to adjust your nozzles. Have a spanner wrench for taking load hoses on and off.